Hi everyone, in this video we will review the Drift Car Air Freshener. Drift Car Air Freshener is a premium car fragrance designed to replace ordinary air fresheners with something more sophisticated. You can choose from a wide variety of scents or opt for their scent of the month, and it arrives automatically each month with a real delivery updates. The system is designed to let you change scents, adjust delivery frequency, or cancel anytime. At least, that's what they claim. The starter kit comes with a metal chip that attaches to your car visor. To use, open the bag just enough for the scent to release, attach the scent block to the clip using its magnetic design, and make sure it sits properly without overhanging. Each block should be replaced at least every 30 days, and the scent should remain sealed until ready to use. Drift also offers a home diffuser that brings premium fragrance blends to your space, like their Lily Brooch scent inspired by the Outlander series. The air fresheners are made in the US from sustainably sourced wood and infused with luxury-grade essential oils. They are free from harsh chemical, vegan, pet-friendly, GMO-free, and cruelty-free. The design is simple yet functional. The metal clip keeps the scent block in place, and the blocks are refillable, so you don't have to buy a whole new set each time. On Amazon, the product is priced around $12. Customer reviews are mixed. Many users like the clean look and appreciate it as a low-tox alternative to standard air fresheners. Some say the scents last long and is pleasant, while others find it weak or short-lived. The clip gets mixed feedback too. Some find it sturdy. Others say that wood falls off or doesn't stay attached. Overall, people feel the product is decent quality, but perhaps overpriced for what it is. Overall, Drift Car Air Fresheners offers an attractive, eco-friendly alternative to regular car scents and works well if the scents and clip function properly. However, its subscription model and reports of difficulty canceling can be frustrating, so users need to be cautious and read the fine print before signing up. For occasional use or gifting, it's fine, but if you're expecting long-lasting performance every month, your experience may vary. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.